Turbocharger is a forced induction device that is powered by the flow of exhaust gases. It uses this energy to compress the intake air, forcing more air into the engine in order to produce more power for a given displacement. In this video we are discussing about the symptoms of bad turbocharger. 1. Poor acceleration. One of the most common and noticeable signs that your turbocharger is failing is poor acceleration or throttle response. If you notice that it's taking your engine longer to reach high speeds, or if the engine feels unresponsive when you press down on the accelerator, there's a good chance that your turbocharger is starting to fail. 2. Reduce power. One of the common symptoms of bad turbocharge is power loss. When the turbocharger is fail, the engine is suffer from lack of compressed air and it will reduce the output power of the engine. 3. Exhaust smoke. If you notice excessive exhaust smoke coming from your engine, it's definitely time to take it to a mechanic. This is usually a sign that the turbocharger is failing and not functioning properly. After long period of running, the turbocharger oil seal become bad and that cause oil leak. The oil enter into the engine and produce more smoke. 4. Noises upon startup. Another symptoms of bad turbocharge is strange noises coming from under the hood, particularly upon startup. If you hear any rattling, whistling, or hissing sounds coming from your engine bay when you first turn on your engine, it's likely that there's an issue with the turbocharger. 5. Check engine light. Engine control unit monitor all working of the engine. If the turbocharger become bad, the ECM will illuminate the check engine warning light. 6. Increase oil consumption. Increase oil consumption is the other common symptoms of bad turbocharger. Turbocharger oil seal become bad after a period of running. This has caused the oil leak, and this increase the engine oil consumption.